get fully wet. After passing a strong geyser, you take another one. So when you stop, maybe you are trapped here, the forbidden canyons of God. The legend told us there's about going here. One of them said they saw a fire. Yes, here. We just get angry, you know why? Because we are not coming on the whole monsoon on fire in Canada. So we want to burn you up for the dinner tonight. What is it like? Luckily there's a lot of up in here. There's a lot of water. She's nice enough and can just out the fire and yeah, the same as right.
Tapos na?
The turtles, they always go out for hunting, and this is the precious. And now, what is keep silence? Don't be stop them. Okay. Well, we are safe now, and we can go back now. Anybody get hurt? No. Okay. Anybody get wet? No. Awesome. Okay, and now we can see the wow! And now we enter the picture canyon of the god. It's hosted by the water and fire. After we enter, they get angry at us. Oh no! You're with us! Of our left-hand side first, baby elephant is waiting us. Okay, before I go back, keep your hand in cell phone first. Hi, my elbow, please. Keep inside, please. Hi, keep your hand in cell phone first, and also remain seated, okay? And now say goodbye, baby elephant. Bye bye. If you enjoy the journey, please remember I'm a skipper. I fish. If not, doesn't matter. When I stop my boat, you may leave for two exits. One in the middle and one in the back. Remember, don't cross windows. Otherwise, I will take you back to jungle and you'll become a gorilla and soon run none of us alive. Okay? And now, my boat is stopped. It's time to say goodbye, everyone. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you for coming. Thank you for laughing. Leader. Thank you for leading. Bye-bye.